In this video, I'll try to make the Doubletree by Hilton chocolate chip cookies. Cream 113 grams of softened butter, 82 grams of sugar, and 75 grams of light brown sugar at medium speed for about 2 minutes. Add a small bowl with 1 egg, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a few drops of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and mix it on low speed for 30 seconds. Afterwards, on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Add 140 grams of flour, 23 grams of rolled oats, 3 grams of baking soda, 3 grams of salt, and a pinch of cinnamon, and mix it on low speed for about 45 seconds. Remove the bowl and stir in 110 grams of chopped up almonds and 100 grams of M&Ms. Use a large ice cream scoop to portion the dough and place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake it at 150 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. After taking it out of the oven, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 1 hour. The first time the cookies melted together and I needed to cut them out, but the second time they looked much better.